Classroom 203. 203. Classroom 203. Classroom 203. Repeat. Good. Some people say 203. 203. That's okay. 203 or 203. Kitchen. 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 Repeat. Kitchen. Student lounge. Student lounge. Student lounge. Repeat. Student lounge. Bathroom. 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 Repeat. Or some people say restroom. 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 Repeat. Restroom. Or men's room and ladies' room. Men's room and ladies' room. Vending machine. Vending machine. Vending machine. Vending machine. Vending machine. Stairs. 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 Repeat. Stairs. We can say go downstairs, go upstairs, stairs. Hot and cold water. Hot and cold water. Hot and cold water. Repeat. Hot and cold water. Fridge. 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 Repeat. Fridge. Or refrigerator. 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 I think fridge is easier. Student fridge. Repeat. Great. Elevator. 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 Repeat. Yeah, elevator. In Africa and India and Bangladesh and England, some people call this a lift. In the United States, elevator. Elevator. Front desk. Front desk. Front desk. Repeat. Front desk. Emergency exit. Emergency exit. Emergency exit. Repeat. Okay. Emergency exit. Fire alarm. Fire alarm. Fire alarm. Repeat. Fire alarm. Great.